Let's build a pool. Summer's almost here. Here we are, Seaside Heights, Saturday morning, early morning bike ride. Let's do it again. Anyway, cloudy day. Anyway, cloudy day. So what are we gonna do? I don't know. We'll find something to do. Here we go. Just like every week, we're gonna find something to do, and then we'll do it, and then we find it, and then we find something to do, and then here we are, and then we're doing it. Welcome to Seaside Heights. Let's see what the boardwalk looks like on this Saturday afternoon. Midway open.
You were my courage, my sword and shield, grace under pressure, my wall of steel.
Maybe I have you, maybe I don't. Casino Pier Museum. Oh, look at this. Little car. From the rock and roll. Remember the rock and roll? Marathon steak and potatoes. I want one of those little Segway things.
I don't.
Come on, you'd have fun riding that.
How can I break necks?
Your neck.
Yeah, that's it. Already broke my pelvis.
True to myself.
take a ride out on the highway. Let's see if we can see anything at that bridge. Heading towards the bridge. Heading towards the bridge. Check out the bridge here. Whatever they're doing, looks like they're almost done. Well, I can't get any closer, or don't want to get any closer, so there you have it, folks, the bridge. Should be opening shortly for the summer. The all-new nautical store. Seaside Park. Well, I think we're done here. We had enough fun for a Saturday, but let's do it again Sunday. So we'll check that out on Sunday. Okay. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you real soon. Anything you have to add? You gonna add anything? You're good back there? What do you got, a Toto to show off?
No, I don't have a Toto to show off.
Okay.
I might have something.
So that's it, and we'll see you Sunday. Yes, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you and good night. Boop, boop, boop. Oops, one more thing before I forget. Why am I wearing my glasses? Oh, I look better with them on, I think, right? Yeah. One more thing before I forget. Happy birthday, Ashley, out there in Illinois. Have a happy birthday, Ashley. Yay! It was the other day, but there's your birthday. Birthday wishes coming your way. Okay, we're done here. Boop, boop.